welcome to my garden. So today we are trying to install this beautiful arbor we just purchased. I'm really excited because my plan is to plant a climbing rose to go over this arbor and give us this beautiful view, because this will block or bring a gorgeous view to kind of interrupt the view from the to our neighbors property here. And so I'm really excited. Now what I'm going to do is basically we just need to make sure we anchor this well right here. I was really hoping to plant my climbing rose on this side, but it seems like it's going to interfere with this tree, which is, I'm not sure how to go around that. I mean, my other option is I could just plant my climbing rose on this side of the fence and have it grow and kind of come up from this side, which will still probably, will work fine as well. But this would have been a better option. Let me know what you think of this. It is possible for me to bring this closer to the stairs. That's another thing that I have to try. However, don't like about that idea is having the pots, they will not be in the same line anymore, which this is what I really like, having them all in the same line, which this one has to still come to the center a little bit, which I haven't done that yet. But anyway, they're lined in one line, which this is how I really like to be. But we have to remove this fence, which I can't wait. I really want to pull it out like right now, and remove this door right here. So as soon as we remove this, it will open up this beautiful view of this gorgeous landscape that we just did not too long ago. So I'm really excited. We'll just open up this. You can see the eucalyptus, all the beautiful hedge of the summer song roses, poet's wife, limelight hydrangeas will start shooting up next year. They will be a lot bigger. Anyway, the boxwood hedge. So this is going to be absolutely beautiful view. And and as soon as we get our boxwoods, we'll get the containers filled, but this will open completely new view from our patio area. So anyway, we'll get to work, and we'll see you in a moment. Okay, you guys, so we went ahead and removed our fence. It's so liberating. It's so open. It's just, I love it because I feel like I can breathe. There's just no, everything is just open. It's not enclosed in any level. So we just installed this beautiful arbor with gorgeous doors. it's gonna rain, so I have to hurry up a little bit. But anyway, we installed this. I have a clematis here that it's kind of growing over the fence, but also I'm hoping to climb on this obelisk here. And then what I'm going to do is I decided to go ahead and plant my climbing rose on a side right here. And I know there is a big tree growing on this side, but I think the roots will find their ways. So anyway, this is David Austin climbing rose Bathsheba. I'm really excited about it. We'll plop the picture on the screen so you can see how beautiful this is. So this is in a colors of tones of gold and apricot, which is, you know, what we have going on here. And it's so beautiful because now everything is open. You can, you know, we will plant the all the containers, which we decided to go with the box food. And then we will, when we come out here, there is this gorgeous scene that it's going to just be absolutely beautiful here, especially when the plants all mature, start blooming, will be beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is just plant my climbing rose here and hopefully have it climb. So it might interfere with these branches, but I'm hoping to just maneuver it around because this is the only way I can do this. The other side just really wasn't the best scenario because I have clematis going there. So so I think this is what we're going to try to do. I'm going to go ahead and plant it. Okay everyone, so I finished planting this climbing rose. So basically what I mixed in the soil, a little bit of a compost. I always give a little bit of a mycorrhizum fungi for the roots to grow and get more vigorous. And then I also placed some blood, bone and fish fertilizer into the hole to give a nice boost. Hopefully we'll get some flowers before the end of the year, which it is still possible. I mean, you can see the rose bush is very healthy, looking good. I'm very happy to be out of the container into the ground, and I think this will give beautiful background to whatever we plant in this container here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this this project, because I simply have enjoyed this project. I think it's a great progress for this area, slowly working our way to the areas where, you know, it's untouched. Basically the old stuff we're slowly removing, improving, and making our property look beautiful with the beautiful gardens. Have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate all the subscriptions. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my videos if you like them. Share with your friends, and have a wonderful week. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.